Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Coming up on Gqeberha on Monday, Hlumelo and Nozuko get their baby's DNA results back. Sonabile wants to start a family with Ntando'S. Zimkita wishes she had cared for Hlumelo's baby when she had the chance. On Tuesday, Ntando'S has a trying experience at the nail salon courtesy of Sonabile. Zimkita finds herself scorned when she thought she was ahead of the game. On Wednesday, Hlumelo chooses to become a family man. Stogi's web of lies catches up with him. Ntando'S red flag of fiancé gets redder. On Thursday, Sonabile saved the day at Ntando'S nail parlor. Nobomi discovers a sickening truth about Hlumelo. Nozuko's lobola negotiations are complicated. On Friday, Nozuko's lifelong dream comes true. Stogi pursues the girl he wants to be with. Ntando'S dream have a message, but will he figure it out before it's too late? Thank you for watching.